awesome! Hi everybody! Today we're gonna draw a cute house. Are you ready? Let's go! Step 1. Draw a square. Step 2. Draw a second square. This one should look like it's in perspective. Step 3. Draw the roof. Start off with a triangle and then try to finish the shape. Step 4. Add a chimney. This is just another rectangle. Step 5. Give the house 2 little hands. One on each side. Step 6. Add 2 little feet. Maybe give him some shoes. Step 7. Make a cute face. Step 8. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! You made a super cute little house friend. You want to draw some more house friends? Well, keep watching my tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.